how much time was required to complete the program. So the answer is it sort of depends. It depends on your background. If you're a practicing electrician, then you're going to move through some of the material pretty quickly. If you're a practicing auto mechanic, some of the stuff is going to come faster to you than someone who's new to it. So that background does define that a little bit. The other thing that is really important is how much time you have. Most of our students are working full time in a job, having a busy life, family, and life requirements of their time. So, but that's the beauty of our program, because you can work on our program from midnight to 2 a.m. every day of the week if you want to, or you can work on it diligently on the weekends. So again, it depends on how much time you have and how much of your time you're willing to invest in the program to try and define that how quickly you can go through it. We say on average 10 to 20 hours a week. We say on average 32 weeks roughly to complete the program for someone who's working and studying our program part-time. But those, again, are really broad generalizations. And once you look at the individuals, it's always very different depending on their circumstances and their motivation to work through it.